how to turn on upcoming birthdays notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on upcoming birthdays notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and click these three lines here and go down, click settings, notifications, and now just click birthdays, and here you will find upcoming birthdays. If you want to turn it on, just click on it, just one click, and as you see, upcoming birthdays has been turned on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.